to 150. That's amazing. Hello everybody, welcome back to this video. So a lot of viewers in my channel are requesting MFG for any GPU in The Last of Us Part 2. So as always, every download link is in our website. Make sure to don't download the fake ads, okay? After that you will get those files. Of course, after extracting, go to this, then copy everything. We have to update the Streamline for the game. We go to the game main folder and paste here, replace, then go here to DLSS Enabler, copy everything, back again to the game main folder. If DLSS isn't appearing for you, you have to disable signature override. That happens for AMD and Intel GPU. If you want to use FSR for Int 8, you can just download this and copy this file, paste in the game folder. If you have problems, you can join my Discord server. I can help you there. Now launch your game. If this appears, just click OK. Here, go to options. You can also do this in the game settings. Make sure to enable DLSS frame generation. Also enable DLSS Optiscaler to use Optiscaler. Okay, now you can choose X5, X1, X3. So 3 means X4. Let's use 1440p resolution and play. After launching the game, if you press this key in your keyboard, this menu will be opened, and here just go to Ghost Booster, enable this. If you have AMD or Intel GPU Reflex Boost, set this to on, and stats bar, we need this for this video. If the X6 mode doesn't appear in the game settings or the X4 mode, you can use MFG override mode, and make sure to use the latest game update. Okay, we are using now the X4 mode. I have just changed it, and as you can see, it's so playable. We are going from 30 frames. The latency not that bad actually. If you play with a controller, the experience are going to be amazing. It's a game changer for someone like how GTX 1650. You can also use that freaking amazing X6 mode, as you can see. Now we are going from 25 to 150. That's amazing. I hope you subscribe to the channel. We are going to that 1k subscribers, and we have a gift for you. See you in the next one.